Gilak, not member of parliament, Akol has renewed his call for dialogue between the Acholi and Mali communities, saying it remains the only sustainable solution to the long-running Apaa land dispute. Speaking during the pastoral visit of the Archbishop of Gulu, Raphael Pamon, in Apaa on Thursday, Akol said the conflict has persisted for far too long and requires meaningful engagement rather than confrontation. He revealed that he met with leaders from a Jomani district, including the LC5 chairperson, to discuss practical ways of resolving the dispute. According to Akol, the discussions emphasize open, honest, and inclusive dialogue that brings together all stakeholders to agree on a peaceful and mutually acceptable solution. Akol said the people of Apaa deserve peace, security, and certainty about their future. He urged that unity, mutual respect, and constructive dialogue offer the best opportunity to achieve lasting peace between the neighboring communities. He appealed to political, cultural, religious, and community leaders to continue engaging one another in good faith, saying sustainable peace can only be achieved through cooperation and understanding.
Thank for voting me, because their votes have given me opportunity to serve as a member of parliament in Pan-African Parliament. That means as a member of parliament for Africa as a continent. I also thank His Excellency the President, because it was his chairperson that selected me to do that position. I also informed the people that before I went into South Africa and Pan-African Parliament, I had a discussion with leadership over Jomani, the LC5 and the others, and I was telling them we need peace in Apaa, and they are willing to talk so that we should stop. And I told them, whoever dies here, whether I'm Acholi or Mali, is God's creation, and it's very important for us leaders from Amoro. We don't want any more people to die in Apaa. It must stop. We also told them to be peaceful, and then from today onward, since we received Archbishop and have prayed here, we pray that peace in Apaa. And I also gave him responsibility, the Archbishop, that before he was installed, the former Archbishop worked for peace in Acholi, South Africa. We are now having problem in Apaa. He should work to reconcile the people, and we have peace here. And we are grateful for the process he has started. Honorable Lucy say.
The Apaa land dispute has remained one of Uganda's most protracted and sensitive land conflicts, involving competing territorial claims between the Acholi and Mali communities. Disagreement has led to repeated tensions, displacement of residents, especially Acholi, destruction of property, and periodic security operations over the years. Successive governments have attempted to resolve the dispute through investigations, boundary verification exercises, and mediation effort, but a permanent solution has remained elusive. Religious leaders, cultural institutions, civil society organizations, and local leaders have consistently called for peaceful dialogue instead of violence. The Archbishop's pastoral visit provided another opportunity for leaders from both communities to interact and reflect on the importance of reconciliation and peaceful coexistence. Akol expressed hope that continued engagement between leaders and residents would help build trust and create conditions for a lasting settlement for safeguard of the rights and livelihoods of all people living in Apaa.